right to the tree so you guys can take a look at it over here. Here, go to this one right here. Go to the sky, everyone. Going southeast this time. Going out southeast. It's pretty chilly here today, so pretty chilly. Chilly. Oh, look at all this, guys. And it's springtime, and we're getting snow on the weekend here. Sunday. Gee, how stupid is that? Ah. Look at that, guys. Oh man, I can't even stand out here. It's so chilly. Winds are coming to the south, or the west, I mean. Alright, guys. Oh. Jeez, everyone, it's mighty windy. Jeez, let me tell you this, everyone. Most big wind in the world. Look at this. I'm hoping I can get a big windstorm one day. So, let's hope that don't happen for us. Alright, everybody. We gotta go, me and my bye.